I just believed our tutors like Harika man and Harif sir. They told me that just don't focus on others and don't study any other guides. Just focus what we have tell to you. Like just focused on the repeated sessions and focused on the repeated classes. That's it. Just when I'm going to the examination also, just before the exam, like 10 to 15 days, they revised me, revise, always revise. Whatever you have learned, just revise them. Don't focus on others. Like believe yourself. Just believe, be confident while giving the examination. That's it.
Hello, viewers. Welcome to Elite Expertise. Today, we are joined with our successful July OPRA candidate, Nithish Kumar. Nithu. So, Nithish, welcome. Congratulations. How are you feeling?
I'm very happy. That's I have passed my exam today. I'm very happy to say that like Arif sir and Harika ma'am that encouraged me very lot. Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah. Mm.
So, Nithish, would you like to tell our viewers about your background, where you belong to,
Yeah.
what did you study?
Yes. Yeah. Basically, as I finished my family in 2024, then I came to Australia for the masters in public health. Then I joined in the Elite Expertise. My friend suggested me to join in Elite Expertise. Yeah. After that, I have started my journey through through the opera. Yeah, that's it.
Tell our viewers more about your entire journey. How many months it took for you to clear this examination? What was your
Just
experience with Elite Expertise?
just 3 months. That's it. Just 3 to 3.5 months.
So it was
That
your first attempt and
Yes,
it
it's
was
my
clear.
first attempt. Yeah, it's my first attempt. I cleared it. Yeah.
I'm assuming it might have not been an easy journey because many people have this in mind that it's an international pharmacy licensure exam. It has to be difficult. What was in your mind when you were preparing, and what went in your mind when you are in the exam center?
Yeah. First, I just believed our tutors like Harika man and Harif sir. They told me that just don't focus on others and don't study any other guides. Just focus what we have tell to you. Like just focused on the repeated sessions and focused on the repeated classes. That's it. Just when I'm going to the examination also, just before the exam, like 10 to 15 days, they revised me, revise, always revise. Whatever you have learned, just revise them. Don't focus on others. Like believe yourself. Just believe, be confident while giving the examination. That's it. I just want to tell to the future students or whatever, don't want to waste time, don't want to waste your time on the other guy. Just believe your tutors like Harika ma'am, Harif sir. That's enough, not more than that.
It seems like the mental toughness part has done for you very well. That's why you cleared your examination on your very first go. So,
Yes.
would you like to share? Were there any instances where you felt like anxious that I might not be able to clear this examination, or something like this segment of this exam or syllabus is very difficult to crack? Share with our viewers.
Sometimes I feel some difficulties. Like I'm feeling when I'm get anxiety, I just text to the Harika ma'am. He told me like don't be anxious. Like just before going to examination also, I told to Arif sir like I'm very anxiety, so I'm not able to clear the exam. So he told me that just focus what you have learned and believe first believe yourself. Then I started going to examination. Then the exam is, I think it's not very difficult. Just whatever we have learned in the mocks and whatever the Arif sir and Arika ma'am tell in the revision classes, that gonna be repeat. That's it. That's it. That's enough. That's fairly enough to clear the exam.
So, Ritesh, the way you're mentioning that the exam itself is not that difficult, but you have to focus, you have to stay persistent, right? So, would you
Yes.
like to tell our viewers about your study plan, your routine? What was the entire duration of this 3 month in that you prepared for your OPRA examination? And in that exam center, what clicked and helped you the most?
I start just 3.5 months are enough to prepare the exam. And on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have attended the 2 hour section classes. from 7 Australia timings from 7 to 9. That's enough. And daily I was doing my mocks and repeating. If I done any mistakes in the mocks, I'm going to sort it out here itself. And if I have any doubts, I just want to text in my groups in a WhatsApp group which I have created by the elite expertise. So when I'm going to the examination center, just I have prepared only mocks and whatever the repeated classes. So it's nothing is difficult in OPRA exam. Just focus and consistent. Consistent is most important. If you have failed in a mock, don't worry about the mocks. Just repeat the mocks again. If you have failed in any other mocks also, just sort it out there itself, and you're gonna be pass. So the consistently you need to learn. You need to gain the knowledge from the classes. That's enough.
Did you prepare any lecture notes or anything sort
No,
of?
no, nothing. I just repeat the classes. That's it. No need to prepare any notes.
And when you say repeat the classes, it means recorded lectures, listening to them
Yes,
again and again, right?
yes. That's very helpful to you clear the examination.
Okay, so what's that one piece or two piece of advice that you would like to share to those who candidates who are just getting started or who are yet not that much successful in their attempts? They have given their attempts, they are preparing their own, or they don't want to like join any coaching. What is your message?
No, my first advice, just start revising the classes. First listen to the classes carefully, understand the concepts, and whatever the calculations you have done, that's fair enough. So my second advice, don't be anxiety. Just focus on the classes, whatever sir, Arif sir, and Harika ma'am that said. And no need to write down any notes. Just waste of writing the notes. Just focus on them. Focus on the lecturers. Revise the classes. So in future also, if you want to prepare if you want to prepare by your own, that gonna be difficult. But when the Arif sir and Harika ma'am just they are going to say anything, just no need to just write down some key points. That's it. No need to write down the paragraphs or whatever that. Just write the key points in a book. But my advice to just revise the classes. That's fairly enough and do the mocks. That's it.
Okay, so
You're
what
gonna
I
be.
am getting out of what you have said is that preparing alone might be difficult, but when you are with elite expertise, Arif sir and
Yes.
Harika ma'am's guidance, then things become easier.
Yes, 100%.
Okay, so what are those things? What are those three things which you would like to share from your entire journey with elite expertise with Arif sir or Harika ma'am?
Basically, Harika ma'am will start the course, and she will build the foundation. Like she will develop your knowledge. She will create she will make the concepts very easy. Then Arif sir will come and he will tell you everything. Like he will build the foundation and he will start everything from the scratch. So just focus what they said. No need to buy hard anything. No need to what is that? No need to revise anything. Just whatever they said, just believe themselves. That's it. So whatever who are going to be joining the elite expertise, the I want to give one advice. Just uh, whatever you have done till now, just forget about that. Just focus on the lecturers. So you will be clear the exam.
So you are also saying that if you don't have enough conceptual understanding in your prior academic years, that does not come in your way to clear the exam, right?
Yes, yes.
Well, studying with elite expertise for that 3.5 months is enough to clear the
Yeah,
exam
enough.
on your first attempt.
100%. 100%. That's 3.5 months is enough. And the last month is very, very crucial. Just when we started the revision classes. So just focus on the classes and repeat the classes as many as possible, how much you can. So before going to the examination, also just listen any other classes, important classes. That's fair enough to clear the exam. So no need to take the bundles of books. Or that's no need. Just revise the classes, revise, and do the
Okay, on
mocks.
that way.
Mm.
Yeah, Nitish, thank you for your wonderful guidance and appreciative words for elite expertise. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming exams as well. We know that now you will be preparing for much bigger exams like intern exams, right? And
Yes.
we wish to be a part of that journey as well. So, and congratulations for your OPRA success.
Thank you, Asatosh. Thank you. Thank you so much.